So you can see 41% of world energy demands are met by coal. In US it is around 51%. More than half of US energy demands are met by coal. But it's a finite source of energy. It will diminish in some years. We estimate it to last for around only 150 years. Plus the emissions from the coal, around 81% of CO2 emissions, which cause global warming and environmental impact. So for that we need to find a solution. And our solution is hydrogen. Why we have taken hydrogen is because of these properties, out of which these two properties are quite the heat content of hydrogen. These two are the ongoing research plants available for hydrogen. This is a standalone power plant and this is a hybrid power plant. They are in their just nascent stages, so their main aim is to calculate the data, tabulate, and which can be used for further modification of large-scale installation of plants.
Based on these power plants, we chose to modify our own power plant and we came up with this. And so we first went to hydrogen production techniques and we chose syngas as a suitable production technique for a short-term process. Since it involves coal, it does emit CO2, but emissions are pretty less compared to conventional coal thermal power plant. Then we chose our power producing devices. Then fuel cell would have been the best option, but fuel cell involves a lot of cost and we can't stack them too high to meet our energy demands. So we chose gas turbine because of its ease of operation, less space and high efficiency. Then we chose Rankine cycle as a power cycle for the power plant, and then also we chose materials which could sustain the high temperatures produced by the hydrogen in the combustor chamber. Then we came up with a schematic diagram of our hydrogen power plant which has coal storage, which goes to coal gasification where hydrogen is produced, which then goes to carbon capture system where carbon is captured and stored in the earth so that it won't harm our atmosphere. Then purified hydrogen is stored in the in the containers, and then it's fed to power plant which produces electricity and feeds to electrical grid. Then to show that we can replace conventional thermal power plant with a hydrogen power plant, we made a study and we compared two power plants having 32 megawatts, and as we can see they have a comparable thermal efficiency and also comparable cost, even though the technology is very nascent and a lot of research can be done on hydrogen power plants. So also we obtained reduction in power plant size, so that shows us that hydrogen can be used as a sustainable energy source.